What's up, guys? I'll be on the way to New York. Yo, Martin, where are we at right now?
We on the meow meow bus. Nah, but we on the way to New York. Big Ebro vibes tomorrow. Y'all ready for the fucking verdicts, man?
Yes, sir. Ebro tomorrow. Ebro Eve tonight. It's about to be a movie. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We finally made it to NYC. Gotta go to Times Square. Gotta go to the telly. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn. Okay. Keep that drum going. Oh my gosh. You guys got any word? We are at New Yorker Wyndham. New Yorker Wyndham. I never heard a hotel place like this. Yes, sir. Bruh. At the moment, I'm waiting for Kenny and Haley, dude. He's a little bit crazy over there. I ain't even gonna lie. Yo, that's the joint up there. Yo. Yo, what's going on, guys? We in the telly. And yes, I'm on the top bunk, as you can see.
What does that mean?
Yo, what the? Yo, what happened? Yo, what's going on in there, Haley?
Kenny said, yo, you're sick squirting out 3 different ways. LJ said, oh, your favorite.
Bro, what?
Oh, he's cracking up.
Yo, what's going on in here?
I don't know if you want to open the door.
Yo, what's going on in here?
What's up, dog?
Yo, what's up, gang?
Yo, you got the cam on, bro.
Yeah, I do got the camera on. What are you gonna do about it? You just gonna shut the door in the bathroom?
Oven?
You just gonna shut the door in the bathroom? We is outside. We about to go to Ebro Eve. See what's going on over there. See what the vibe's looking like. Yo, me. Whoa. Damn. Yes, sir. We made it to the meetup spot.
Oh yeah, I need to vlog my first.
Oh my gosh. Flip, take this.
These streets will make you feel brand new. These lights will inspire you. It's the cops, the cops.
Lights is blinding, girls need blinders so they can step out of bounds quick.
This is too funny, bro. This is too funny, bro. Yo, there was like 5 cops walking by and I'm just yelling out the window.
Bro, of course we have a hotel right next to a police station. It's funniest and random, dude. Look at the cop. He on his phone right now. Yo. That's how you wake up in the morning. Yo, you just missed the vibes, LJ.
I heard it.
You heard it? Yo, what's going on, guys? Today is the day of the ride of Ebro. Hopefully today will be lit. Last year was a little bit dry. This ride out, especially people all over the world, that will be a vibe. Of Ebro. This showing active, right?
Crazy.
Yo.
Damn.
Yo, he pulled up on you like that. What?
Wait, what have been out already?
Yo, we outside. What's up, gang? We outside. Yes, sir. We outside. Yes, sir. He outside. We outside.
JsparkzBeatZ is the beat for me.
Oh my God. Yes, sir. We outside, you heard? Guys, got a copter on us, dude. Yo, this thing is following us around anywhere, dude. It's following the whole ride out. You heard? Yo. Okay, Kenny. Yes, sir. We outside, right, Peter? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We active, you heard? We active, you joy. Yo, it's your niece, daughter. Yes, sir. Y'all outside. Yes, sir. Yo, what do y'all think you're doing? Yo. Yes, sir. Yo. Yo. You guys hear that? Yo. Yes, sir, boy! Yes, sir! We outside, you heard? Yeah, I like the ride! Yes, sir! Everybody outside, yes, sir! Yes, sir! Y'all outside? Yo. Yo, what do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? You heard? Guys, that's crazy. That lady cop tried to block us in, bro. Nah, not happening my watch. We outside. Yeah, what happened?
Bro, I'm riding my bike, bro. I stopped to get some Coca-Cola. I don't even like I'm just thirsty. Bro, I'm going down the street. This old lady, bro, she's a crackhead. She's on like something, bro. She starts coming after me. She's trying to attack me for no reason. I'm like, yo, get away from me. All the people on the street were like, go, 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 go. She crazy, bro. She a crazy old lady. I was like, bro, I can see that, bro. She's trying to attack me. Bro, she's literally, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm in a rush. She's literally trying to attack me for no reason. I'm like, ma'am, I ain't doing nothing to you, bro. She's yelling at me. I would sit there and argue back with her, but I'm in a rush, bro. I gotta
Bro, what the